Today I'm continuing my journey of the R2D2 build. Woo woo! In part 2 of the series, I was working on what I believe is a leg. Hopefully it's a leg. You can check out that part in the card above or in our description. So far, what I like best about this build and what I like worst about this build is pretty much staying consistent, and that is, what I like best is when the pieces just click together, and they even make that little click sound. So beautiful, like ASMR, right? But what I like worst, or I guess like worst, what is worst about this build is when the pieces just don't want to get together. They don't want to fit, and it's like, wow, you were made for each other. Why is it so difficult? It shouldn't be this difficult. What piece I'm referencing right now in my mind is these little guys. Oh, they're my nemesis. So what do y'all think? Are there any other Lego builds we should do on here? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. This has been Tracy with VainSoftGames. If you like what you saw, you can like or leave a comment. Would you care to support our channel? You can do so by heading over to our Patreon. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell.